So guys, my NIO stock outlook has completely changed. How has it changed? Well, it's changed for the better. All right, but some things are going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a little bit turbulent. All right. So first of all, we got breaking news. Apparently, the FAW Group, which is one of the biggest automakers here in China, is going to join in on battery swap as well. FAW Group, they are partnered with Volkswagen and all these other big guys to make cars here in China. And they themselves also have a bunch of cars. And wow, that's just amazing. And apart from that, there's also going to be some other guys joining in on battery swap. No questions asked. So it's sort of like what you're witnessing right now is sort of like back in the early 1900s when you got horse chariots and then you got automobiles for the first time, and then slowly everybody starts adopting the gas pump. The gas pump is swap stations, all right? So in the EV age, here in China, everybody's going to have to essentially adopt NIO's battery swap. It's a guaranteed done deal, all right? It's guaranteed. So what you can imagine is down the line, all right, fast forward 2 to 3 years when all these companies have cars coming out and they're all using NIO's battery swap, that's going to be amazing. That's when NIO's going to be earning a ton of money, all right? So here in this video, I'm going to outline how we're going to get there, all right? How the stock price is going to get to the moon. First, we're going to be turbulent. There's going to be up and downs, and I'll lay out what I think the stock is going to do for the next couple of months. So first of all, I think short term we are still in a very nice uptrend. All right, even though after the Onvo launch, NIO stock has crashed, it doesn't matter. We have very bullish momentum. Some of the things that you really have to take into consideration is back in the first 4 days of May, NIO got 7,000 orders, locked in orders. These are NIO orders, not Onvo orders. Onvo wasn't even launched in the first few weeks of May, all right? And on top of that, just 2 weeks ago, we had confirmation that the NIO brand, all right, locked in orders were even more than Li Auto. So that just tells you that this month, all right, and the next couple weeks, we're going to see insane deliveries. All right, we're going to see deliveries unlike we've ever seen before. It's going to be massive. And you guys are very lucky that you're watching this and you guys are subscribed to me, because if you're not, well, you know, those guys, they'll have to take, they'll be late to the party, right? They'll be reading it in the news. You guys already know that deliveries are going to be fantastic this month. And that is, of course, going to shock shareholders. It's going to shock the bulls and the shorts. The bulls will not be ready for such a big, massive increase in deliveries. The shorts are completely not expecting this, all right? So it's pretty much guaranteed. It's guaranteed. I know for a fact. So with this, that means once we get this month's delivery numbers, the stock is going to shoot up like crazy, all right? Even over the next couple of weeks, next few days, when we get these insurance registrations in and they're looking really, really juicy and spicy, right, the stock price is going to react very favorably to these delivery numbers. Having that said, we're going to go up and up and up, and I believe we can hit $10 no problem. Somewhere within mid-June, I believe, we're going to hit $10 probably with this rally upwards, with this momentum, all right? But afterwards, this is where things get a little bit spicy. What's going to happen afterwards, after these big orders that are confirmed get delivered? Is there going to be a continuation of orders? I believe not. There's 3 reasons why, all right? This is very, very important, and please like this video. So first of all, the BAS policy is coming to an end at the end of May, all right? So pay 4 months, get 1 month free. That's coming to an end at the end of May. At the end of May, what's also coming to an end is the trade-in program. You have a BMW 3 Series, Audi A4, Mercedes C-Class. You pay $0. You can just trade it in, drive an ET5 off the road and get a brand new ET5 with BAS. Wow, that's also coming to an end. And on top of that, we also have the Onvo, of course, potentially cannibalizing some of NIO's orders. Now, keep in mind, during our podcast, all right, with that I had with Eric and TIY by Ting, we are all NIO owners or former NIO owners. We all agreed that right now, if we did not have any car, we would go for the Onvo L60 because of many, many factors. You guys should go watch that live stream and subscribe to that channel because we really need more subscribers. We only have 700 subscribers. We got to get to at least 1,000, guys. Go help us out, all right? I'll link it over here. Go watch it. But it just means that in terms of product competitiveness wise, the Onvo L60 is a killer car, all right? And the three of us all said we would go for this car. And that's likely the same case for a lot of potential NIO buyers. So there will be some form of cannibalization. NIO CEO also said that there will be some impact. So what we could see is that July and August deliveries are lower year over year, because last year, July, August deliveries were fantastic, all right? They got like 20,000 plus. But this year, July, August, it'll be kind of difficult, all right? So I think we're going to see very good, maybe record monthly deliveries in June, but July, August, we're going to slide off, all right? That's very important because that means share price might also follow suit and sort of pull back a little bit, all right? Pull back maybe from 10 down to 5, all right? That's what I think. And then this is where the kicker comes in. Onvo starts delivering in September, all right? This is where we start to see the massive amounts of orders being translated into actual deliveries. NIO's not reporting pre-orders. That's understandable. But when it comes to deliveries, they have to report it, okay? And so far right now, pre-orders, I've heard various numbers here in China that it's over 100K pre-orders. So, whoa, that's going to be crazy, all right? So people are going to be taking deliveries of their Onvo L60 in September, and it's going to slowly ramp up, and we're going to see monthly deliveries just explode, all right? So combined with the NIO brand, you can expect maybe around 10,000 deliveries, and the Onvo brand, maybe 20,000 plus. So altogether, 30,000 plus, all right? It's an uptrend from there. So this is really going to be like where everything changes, all right? Everything, the narrative is flipped upside down. Everybody's like, holy crap, this is next level stuff, all right? That's when we have the next official bull run for NIO, all right? Not right now. Now is we're going to have a shoot up, but we're going to pull back a little bit. That's September, October. That's when we are going to start our liftoff to the moon. And I'm not just saying that figuratively speaking, that it's actually going to lift off. So that's going to kick off the bull run. And I don't believe that we're going to get anywhere like lower than 5 afterwards. It's just going to be uptrend from there. And then after that, Onvo deliveries, and then you got the sub-brand coming out, other sub-brand, Firefly, coming out next year. And then soon we can see lots of these partnership cars start coming in, and NIO's earning revenue from that as well. So it's really going to be a massive boost in deliveries and also partnership cars with boosted added revenue that's going to compile together and really just boost NIO's revenue like crazy, boost NIO's profitability like crazy. And that's just going to be happening within the next 2 to 3 years. All right. So within 2 to 3 years, we could see NIO stock just go to insane price levels. Okay. Just within 2 to 3 years. And you got to keep in mind, it's actually better for NIO to deliver more Onvo cars than to deliver more NIO cars. So, for example, if NIO had the choice of delivering 2 Onvo cars or 1 NIO car, delivering 2 Onvo cars is actually better because, first of all, 2 cars is always, more than 1, but also because the Onvo cars are guaranteed to be profitable. The pricing is guaranteed 100% to be profitable, whereas with the NIO cars, they still sell them at a loss. So in this aspect, All right, in this aspect, you actually want customers to choose Onvo, all right, because you want good margins, all right, bigger margins and guaranteed profit compared to guaranteed loss. So this is a kind of a weird way to think about things, but this just means that overall, as Onvo starts delivering more and more, we're going to see profitability skyrocket. So guys, the outlook is we're going to go up, all right, mid-June with maybe record deliveries, pull back a little bit, all right, in the summer, July, August, pull back, and then September is when we have liftoff, starting deliveries of Onvo. That's going to change everything. Deliveries probably within 30,000 plus, maybe 40,000, 50,000 per month. So that's going to be something to look forward to, all right? As always, stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.